part of my passion is the fact that I've been doing this for over 33 years or something, and I'm still learning new stuff every week, and I love that. Did woodwork all the way through school, really enjoyed it, and my dad's next door neighbour was a fine furniture maker. One thing led to another, and my dad and my neighbour were having a chat one day, and he said, "What's Shaun want to do when he leaves school?" He said, "Oh, he likes wood." And he said, "Well, send him down, he can come and have a look at our workshop, you never know." And a couple of years later I ended up becoming that gentleman's first apprentice. As a third-year apprentice, I was fortunate to be involved with the making of the Speaker's chair for the Parliament House of Australia. And in fact, my big claim to fame is I'm the first guy to sit in it. The cushion went in and my bum was on it in about 3 seconds flat after that. And it was a fairly significant moment for a young guy. I like the fact that no two bits of timber are the same, and that there are so many different species. And occasionally it surprises me, not in a good way sometimes, but you know, when you're doing a job and you know, it's a challenge, but it's good fun. And timber at the moment, I mean, that passion's been shared by the rest of the country. I mean, timber is riding the crest of a wave, I think. You just have to look at the architectural magazines to see the use of timber. It's not just my passion. I think most people really enjoy a lovely piece of wood. People just want to touch and hold and feel it, and it's just beautiful. So that is what draws me to it and keeps me interested. I think it's an industry that we should definitely be focused on promoting, because at the end of the day we have a renewable resource. We could be a lot better at managing it, but unfortunately a lot of the management's being run by the bureaucrats and not by the people that actually understand what they're doing. We've got people wanting our product more and more, and our product is becoming harder to source. It's quite a conundrum.